Hello viewers, welcome to the amazing Shan's Kitchen. Hope and wish you all are doing fine. Thank you for all your support and special thanks to my subscribers. Today's recipe is from the Royal Mughal Kitchen, my signature dish, the Shahi Mughal Mutton Makhani. The ingredients for this are mutton half kg, nice big pieces, onion 4 medium sized finely chopped, coriander 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, kasturi methi 1 tablespoon, butter 100 grams, red chilies 7 to 8, cashew nut 12 numbers soaked in water for half an hour, tomatoes 4 finely cut. These are the cumin seeds. Ginger paste 1.5 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Saffron strands 30 to 35. You can also use food color if you want instead of these, but I prefer using these. Lemon 1 big one. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Mutton masala powder 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 3 tablespoon, coriander seed powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon. You can add more if you want according to your taste. Bay leaf 3 numbers, green chilies about 5, milk 300 to 350 ml, curd 250 ml, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 big elaichi, 2 or 3 small elaichi and cloves 3 or 4. This is fresh cream about 250 ml. Oil 3 tablespoon. You can use whichever cooking oil you use. So these are the ingredients. Now we should begin cooking. So let's take a pressure cooker. Turn on the heat. Let the pressure cooker heat. Now add oil to it. Let the oil heat nicely. To this add the cinnamon, cardamom and the cloves. Stir nicely. Now add the cumin seeds. Stir nicely. Then the bay leaf. Keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. There goes the red chilies. And now onion. Keep stirring. The onion should get a nice brown color, golden brown color. Keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. It will take about 7 to 8 minutes for the onion to get roasted to a nice golden color. It's roasted nicely, you can see. Now add the ginger garlic paste and roast it. Ginger garlic paste also should not get burnt, otherwise you will get a bitter taste. Now add the mutton pieces one by one. Lower the flame in the meantime. Now add the salt to it and all the spices one by one. There goes the chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, mutton masala powder. I used Everest mutton masala. You can use whichever you want. Now the green chilies. Now add the curd. Give it a nice stir. Stir nicely. It should cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Add milk to it and stir. Stir nicely so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Add the tomatoes. Then the coriander which we had chopped. Stir nicely. Add the saffron strands. Add little more milk. Milk should not be added once, it should be added throughout the recipe, little by little. Now there goes the butter. Stir nicely. Squeeze the lemon into it. The whole lemon. Add the cashew nut milk. I grinded the cashew nut with the milk. Cashew nut also should be added now. Use milk to grind it to a fine paste. Add little more milk. Keep stirring. You can check for the salt and the chili powder. In case you all eat spicy, then you can add a little more of each. Now close the lid, put the whistle. Cook for about 10 minutes so that the cooker gives 2-3 whistles. We've kept 2 ingredients, that is the kasturi methi and the cream, to add it later after the gravy is done. So we are now waiting for the cooker to give the 2-3 whistles. Then we will add the cream. Yes, the 2-3 whistles are done. Check for the tenderness of the meat. Now add the cream. And the kasturi methi. Lower the flame and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Check in between so that the gravy doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Yes, it's done. Now turn off the flame. It's ready to be served. Now we are going to add the remaining butter. 50 gram we had added while cooking. Now 50 gram we will add for serving. Now our Shahi Mughal mutton makhani is ready. Serve it with ghee rice or plain rice, plain roti or parota, anything of your choice. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe if you're watching my video for the first time. Do like and share. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another dish. eat healthy, and stay fit.